Setting sales goals and milestones for your affiliate team is key to driving success and growth in your affiliate marketing program. But how do you do it effectively? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll break down the exact steps you need to take to set realistic and motivating sales goals that will keep your affiliate team on track. Stick around till the end for a key takeaway and a special offer that you don't want to miss. The first step is defining what success looks like for your affiliate program. You need to set clear, measurable sales goals that align with your overall business objectives. A common mistake is setting goals that are too vague or unrealistic, so make sure they're specific, measurable, and achievable. For example, instead of saying increase affiliate sales, say increase affiliate sales by 15% over the next 90 days. Once your main sales goal is in place, break it down into smaller milestones. These are like mini goals that your affiliates can work toward, and they should feel both challenging and attainable. Let's say your main goal is that 15% increase in sales. Your milestones could be things like generate 50 sales in the first month, get 10 new affiliates onboarded by the second month, or achieve a 5% conversion rate by the end of the quarter. Don't forget about tracking and accountability. Make sure you're tracking your team's progress towards these milestones and sales goals consistently. Using software to track these metrics will give you insight into where your team is excelling and where there might be room for improvement. I've tried several tools for tracking affiliate sales, and the software we're using in this video is the most straightforward and efficient. You can grab an exclusive free trial for it through the link in the description below if you want to follow along. Now, you'll want to reward progress along the way. Rewarding your affiliates for reaching certain milestones can boost motivation. This doesn't always have to be monetary. It could be anything from recognition in the team to bonuses for hitting key targets. The more your affiliates feel valued and motivated, the better their performance will be. Communication is key. Regularly check in with your affiliate team to see if they need additional resources or support to hit their goals. This could be offering them better promotional materials, guiding them on new sales tactics, or simply offering a little encouragement. Affiliates need to know you're there to support them, and this helps them stay on track. Lastly, don't be afraid to adjust goals and milestones as needed. If you notice a goal is too easy or too difficult, recalibrate. It's okay to make adjustments based on performance and market conditions, but always communicate those changes to your team so they know what's expected. The key takeaway here is that setting sales goals and milestones for your affiliate team is all about clear, achievable objectives and consistent tracking. Break down big goals into smaller milestones, track progress, offer rewards, and stay engaged with your team. Just to recap, define your sales goals, break them into milestones, use software to track performance, reward progress, communicate regularly, and be flexible when needed. And don't forget, take advantage of that exclusive free trial linked in the description to make your goal setting process even smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.